Brazil is the latest nation to be affected by yesterday's global cyber attack. It affected computers at healthcare facilities and businesses around the world, leaving thousands of companies vulnerable. Melissa Etazadi is live here with the very latest developments tonight. Good evening.
Good evening. So this attack is alarming because of its size and how fast it spread, hitting more than 70 countries, including the U.S., UK, India, Spain, China, and Russia. Now a 22-year-old British researcher is being credited for accidentally stopping the global cyber attack.
Europol has said that it is unprecedented in terms of the scale of the cyber attack that has taken place. The National Cybersecurity Centre is working with all organisations here in the UK that have been affected.
A cyber attack on Friday hit hundreds of thousands of computers around the globe at hospitals, government offices, transportation systems, and major companies. The attack appearing to be the largest cyber attack of its kind in history. Hackers using a Microsoft Windows flaw, the leaked flaw, was once secretly used as a cyber weapon by the U.S. National Security Agency.
Cyber hacking, which can damage or even destroy our transport industries, our scientific research, our health service, and indeed a lot of our education service.
Hackers exploiting the software to infect computers with ransomware that's called WannaCry. They did it through spam email and attachments. What does the ransomware do exactly? Well, it locks your computer, holding your data hostage. The result? A user must then either pay a ransom or their data will be deleted.
We all rely on computers and instant information, our health records and all that goes with it. What we've now got is a bunch of 21st century highway robbers that have got hacked into our NHS and basically offering protection money to get the information back in order to treat cancer patients or anybody else. It's unbelievably disgusting.
This virus affected 20% of Britain's National Health Service, most of which is back online now. However, many were forced to cancel routine procedures and emergency room services were scaled down. The UK Prime Minister called the attack on the hospitals absolutely disgusting. But in the midst of all the chaos, a young British researcher happened to stumble upon and activate a kill switch, stopping the spread of a global cyber attack. The young man, whose Twitter handle is Malware Tech Blog, said it was an accident. He outlined how he happened to buy a random domain name for just $10.69. By purchasing that domain and registering it, the young researcher said he activated a kill switch that immediately slowed down the spread of the malware. So some things you should know. Microsoft has released a security update to protect against this very attack. They did it back in March. All Microsoft Windows users are actually urged to download it. At this time, I should say, no one has actually claimed responsibility for this attack. I do want to mention that the young researcher who is 22 years old, if you go on Twitter, a lot of people are interacting with him saying, hey, listen, if you need a job, we're going to hire you. Because if you did that on accident, what can you do if you actually knew what you were doing?
Absolutely. Melissa Etazadi, thank you so much.